Hi there, I'm Rowan from C.Brandauer and Co Limited. We took part in Make UK National Manufacturing Day last year and hosted 6 kids and grandkids of our employees for 1 week's paid work experience. Uh, the resulting effect of that is that we've managed to recruit from that cohort 2 engineering apprentices that currently work for the business today. A key part of that was for us to bring engineering and manufacturing to life. So we got them involved from day one, the day they started, building components and assemblies which are going to end up on our future electric vehicles. And that's a fundamental part of it. It exploited their interest in engineering and manufacturing from day one. And as a result, we've got 2 really bright young kids working for us now, hopefully our future engineers and managers in our business. Please, please, please do take part in this directive. National Manufacturing Day for Make UK is a fantastic thing, and it's to the benefit of our industry.